Okay.
Okay, we're at the Kings Park. We're at the new Laundromat.
Laundromat in Kings Park.
And we do Crane National Vendors. It's a new machine. No more Prosecutor National. That's all gone.
Now, what about this machine? This one's not working?
Yeah, and that one's not working.
This one takes fives, too. One's fives and tens, right? Oh, well. Okay. What's he doing? Over there? All right. What you got?
Zero. That's $1.50.
What's that? Party mix? And what's after that? Jalapeno poppers?
Yeah.
They're $1.50 too?
That's $1.50.
Those are popcorn chips. What do Doritos cost? That's $1.50 too?
Yep.
What are you checking out?
That's $1.50.
Lay's, Cheetos, cheddar jalapeno,
$1.50.
Fritos,
$1.50.
Sun Chips.
$1.50.
You got cheddar ruffles. $1.50. What about Doritos?
$1.50.
Fritos flavored twists. Funyuns. $1.50. Sun Chips.
$1.50.
And what you got? Ritz Bits. How much are those?
That's $1.50.
Everything's $1.50. Gushers. What are those? Fruit flavored snacks. They're $1.50 too. Juicy Bursts, $1.50. What about Reese's peanut butter cups? $2.25. Wow. Kit Kat. $2.25. What else you got? $2.25. Yeah, the candy bars at $2.25. Yep. Starbursts. You got toast cheese thingies, peanut butter.
$2.25.
Pistachios. That's not bad. What are you checking next?
That's
What
$2.25.
is that? The healthy bar?
$2.25.
Okay, now chocolate chunk cookies. How much are those?
$2.50.
$2.50. The big expensive stuff's at the bottom. Huh? Pringles. How much are those? $2.50. Milano dark chocolate.
$2.
And what are those next things? Raspberry cookies.
And then the last one is at $8.
Yeah, what are those, like healthy snacks? They're $1.50 only. Okay.
So we got only one. That's Party Mix.
Yep.
And then we got Jalapeno Poppers. We only got one.
Only one row, right?
And that one we got one white cheddar.
Yep. One white cheddar.
And then we got one Doritos nacho cheese.
Yep.
And we got one.
One row of Lay's classic potato chips, right?
Yep. And then we got one
Jalapeno chips, yeah.
Yep.
No, that's Cheetos, right?
That's Cheetos.
Yep.
And that's only one over here.
One of the Sun Chips.
That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
There's 5 bags in one row, right?
Yeah. And that's Ruffles. That's one.
Only, right?
Doritos is only one.
Yeah.
And then Fritos, that's like a honey barbecue.
Yep.
That's one. And onion rings only one. Sun Chips original is only one.
Yeah. And D0 is nothing, right?
Yeah, we got 10 of them. It's got like 10
There's 10 packages of Ritz Bits in that row?
Yep. And that one, the same thing, only got 9 in it.
Okay.
And then we got Juicy First. There's always a lot of Juicy First.
There's a lot of those?
And that one we got lots of them.
You got lots of candy bars?
Yep. And that one we got Health Bar. Got like lots of stuff.
Okay. So what you gonna get? So this takes 1s and 5s, this machine, right?
Then that one's got it's kind of like trail mix. It's kind of like thin.
Yeah, that's what that is, yeah.
That's Raspberry Farm. That's got a lot of Raspberry Farm cookies.
Yeah. How about those? There are a lot of Milano dark chocolate.
Pringles, it only have one.
There's only one can left?
And then that one's only got one.
And now this takes what, 1s and 5s?
Yep. And then to do that, always mix it with water. So this is water mixed with the soda. That's half water. You mix that. Mix it when you water you exercise. That's pasta meatballs. This is shrimp Parmesan Hero. This is shrimp Hero. Coke.
That stuff you have with Coke?
Yeah, that's half water. As soon as you mix it. That's meatball. We make that home sometimes. Make meatball hero with pasta, or we eat that with garlic bread. Always have with Coke sometimes.
Okay, so now what?
And that's Diet Pepsi. This is cheese and rice burrito with Diet Pepsi. So you boy mix it half water, is always good. Mix it half water. Boy mix it everything. Mix it water.
Okay.
Peach tea has got 110. It's like brown colors.
Yeah, they put food dye in that, right?
Yep.
Well, they put food dye in a lot of this stuff. Okay, now what?
We got citrus peach tea.
Yep.
And Coke Zero, that's ravioli with Coke Zero. Also chicken parmesan with Coke Zero.
Okay.
And also Alfino with chicken parmesan with pasta. That's not a Coke Zero.
Gotcha.
That's Diet Coke with soft shells, or it's Diet Coke with half water. So you put mix it with the half water. So it's good, mix it everything. It's not good, mix it half water. Sometimes soft shells with Diet Coke. Exercise, half water.
Okay. But this one's not working, right?
And that one, this is Minute Maid lemonade. This is chicken quesadillas with lemonade. We get half water. This is Polokis. And that's
Pierogies?
mac and cheese with pizza. Not a half water, so it's good. You mix it everything. Mix it water, you exercise. And this is Gatorade fruit punch. Always got on half water, so it's good. Make half water fruit punch. Also Cool Blue Gatorade. Gatorade's got light blue colors.
Yep, they dye it.
And that's light red colors with Gatorade fruit punch.
Yep.
And Coke Zero's got black colors.
Yeah, they put a lot of crap in that, right?
Diet Coke's got black colors. It's called food colored in.
Food coloring, yep.
That's got food colored in. You got Coke and Pepsi. It's got food colored in.
Yes.
Diet Pepsi. So is the diet one. So Diet Pepsi is a diet one.
Gotcha.
It's got black colors.
Yep.
And then lime sour service is good.
It's healthy, right?
Yeah, yep. And Mountain Dew's it's got light green colors. So that's a healthy. And that one, this is all good. This is malt water, Desana water, this is Aquafina water, and also Aquafina water.
Yeah, they're all good for you, right?
And this is 250. That's Gatorade. Fruit Punch is 250. 250. Diet Coke's at 250. Coke Zero's 250. Sprite's at 250. Minute Maid Lemonade's at 250. Mountain Dew's at 250.
Yeah.
Aquafina, small order, Desana water's at 250. And Pepsi's at 250. And Coke is 250.
Alright, so now what? Are you going to use a 1 or a 5?
That's a 5.
$5 credit. What are you going to get? 82. Well, that was the last one, dude. They give you dollar coins for change?
Yep, dollar coins for change.
Cool.
Alright, that's just not working. So we can't do that. That's not working.
Right.
Now we have to add a snack. It's a Crane National Vendors. And then we got a new one here.
Yeah, it takes credit cards.
Yep.
All right, we good?
Alright, we're good. That says 1s and 5s.
Yep.
Takes.